This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning everyone, this is video number 16 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video we are going to show one more function, cell function. This function returns the information you choose about a given cell. It takes two arguments. The first argument is the information type, or what you want to get back. Second argument is the reference, which is optional, and if you give nothing in this second argument, cell will return the information type referring to the cell the function is written. For example, here, I give only one argument, and the information type I want is file name, and here is the returned value, is a path of my file and its name. Let's see it in Excel sheet. Here we go, equal cell between two prices. I say information type, I choose file name and enter. Here we go. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next one.